Alright, so today on this episode of What Plant Is That, Paul? I'm going to talk about Lantana camara. This is Lantana radiation. It is native to the Americas. It will mound, this is a mounding type of lantana. It will mound 6 to 8 feet. And it's the end of June, and you can see it's looking beautiful and full bloom. Taken most day sun, almost full day sun. So you can see the flowers here, very beautiful. They'll be reddish to fade to orange and then yellow. So you'll see some are even more yellow right there. But there's radiation. You can see why they call it that. It's just a beautiful flower. Bees love it. And it does really well in Southern California. Native to the Americas, it's in Africa, and it's even traveled to Australia now. So definitely a great plant to attract bees, as you can see. What else can I say? It will prune back really well, like in the spring. After all the frost, it will die back, and you can prune it back, and then it will grow back another 6 to 8 feet. Really big. I cut this thing way back December, January in Southern California, which you can do, it's no problem. But in colder climates, I wouldn't do that. But you can see it's huge, and it grows into this jelly palm. So excellent ground cover, beautiful. There's only 2 drippers on this plant, and you can see it does really well. It can get white fly, it can get overwatered and kind of root rot, so you don't want to do that. And then you can see there's some kind of sooty mold there. See the little spots? I think that's what that's called. This one especially gets it more often than other lantana, in my experience. I think the purple lantana does best in San Diego, Southern California area. This one does pretty well too. Flowers have a nice soft fragrance, but the best thing about it is when you prune them back, the leaves have an interesting texture, but when they smell, kind of almost like a licorice and pine mix. It's really beautiful. I love the scent of lantana. Both the flowers and the plant. Some grow little seeds, like this one will grow these kind of weird little seed things, and some, like the purple lantana, to my knowledge, does not. So there you go, Lantana camara. This is Lantana radiation. Give us a like and a subscribe. We'll keep them coming, and we have plenty more lantana coming up in future episodes. All right. Whoa, almost fell there. That was awesome. All right, have a great day. Bam. Dude, it's creepy.